Friends, I'm glad to welcome you to my channel. First of all, I want to say that I completely understand the difficult situation you are in right now. Your Samsung phone is stuck on the Google account verification screen, and you are searching for any possible way to bypass this lock, preferably without using a computer. You know what? Not long ago, I personally found myself in the exact same situation. I had to roll up my sleeves and spend several hours figuring out this puzzle. But eventually, I succeeded. I found a working method and managed to bypass FRP, and now I'm ready to share this method with you. If something is unclear, feel free to write in the comments. I understand very well that not all of you are advanced users, so my method is designed specifically for ordinary phone owners who have never dealt with problems like this before. Yes, I also understand that the situation is especially frustrating because your phone is running Android 16. In older Android versions, there used to be many tricks for bypassing FRP directly from the phone itself. For example, many people use TalkBack or various Google keyboard tricks, but on Android 16, these methods no longer work, so there is no point even trying them. The biggest obstacle now is Google's new security feature. It prevents apps installed outside the official Google Play Store from receiving the permissions they need to work properly. This change directly blocks almost all old manual bypass methods. Now let me explain what I did. I used a free Chinese artificial intelligence called DeepSeek. Why exactly DeepSeek? Because other AI systems, such as ChatGPT, have restrictions against providing FRP bypass instructions. They simply refuse to answer questions like that. But DeepSeek agreed to help. I simply asked it, how can I bypass FRP on my phone? And specified my Samsung model. It offered several possible methods. I selected the one that seemed easiest for an ordinary user and asked for a step-by-step guide. After that, everything became very simple. I just followed the instructions provided by DeepSeek. Whenever I got stuck at some stage, I took a photo of the screen and sent it to DeepSeek. It instantly analyzed the problem and gave me a solution. I could have recorded the entire process as a video, but there is one problem. My method may stop working in a month because Samsung quickly patches all the tricks discovered by enthusiasts. However, DeepSeek will always know the latest working method because it is constantly updated. And one more important thing, with the help of DeepSeek, I also repaired my old iPhone. A repair service center told me to throw it away, but I found instructions through DeepSeek and successfully restored the phone. Thank you for watching, and I'm always